Hi! Oops! Well, we are having a blast exploring science. There are a couple of color mixing experiments that you can do with your children at home. Preschoolers may not understand the science behind experiments. However, they can start building on these concepts by doing these activities with you. Do you want to know what these activities are? Let's have a look. Oh, please do keep watching this video. We have a fun parenting tip only for you.
I have noticed Muskan enjoying mixing colors. Does your child mixing colors as well? It's so much fun to see what colors they can create by doing a little color mixing. You may ask, how to teach science to preschoolers? Well, you can teach science by keeping activities playful and easy to go. Let's have a look at the supplies. You need some cups and bowls, a spoon and some droppers, vinegar and some baking powder or soda, food colors and a plate or tray so that you don't spill it. Let's prepare. Take some baking powder, maybe 1 spoon, and put it in each of these bowls. Add some food color to the cups. We use red, yellow and blue, the 3 primary colors. And add some vinegar. Ask your child to use a dropper to place a few drops of colored vinegar in the baking soda. Look at the magic! We used blue and then mix some yellow. Kids will be thrilled to see this chemical reaction. Blue and yellow turned into green. Just like this, repeat with other 2 different colors. In this activity, not only will children get to create a chemical reaction, but they will be able to explore mixing and creating colors. Here we used red and yellow and we got orange. And just like this in the third bowl, we used red and added some blue. This was a great combination of art and science. Curious kids turn into scientists with these preschool experiments and beyond. Let's have a look at the second activity. This activity is one of the color mixing processes that focused on the 3 basic colors, red, yellow and blue. Let's have a look at the supplies. We used some poster colors, white paper sheets, a paintbrush. We started with a sheet of paper and 2 colors of paint. I painted one hand with red and one hand with yellow and invited Muskan to make handprints in the corners. What next? Ask your kids to rub their two hands together, like really well, and then see what colors their hands are of. We discovered that red and yellow makes orange. After completing this process, ask children to wash their hands and repeat with two different colors. Here we took yellow and blue, the two primary colors, and made handprints in the corners. Next, rub, rub, rub. Ah, yellow and blue makes green. Again, ask your children to wash their hands and repeat with two different colors. Kids love painting their hands. Here we took some red and blue and rubbed our hands. Let's have a look at the quick parenting tip.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for visiting our channel. We post some fun hands-on activities for you all every week. And so, to not miss out on these activities, simply subscribe.